All right, so we have an update about the pack and some of the contents going on the second Backwoods box to the Philippines for my kit. As you can see here, I have added the neon yellow paracord to the grab handles of the JanSport, also on the zipper pulls. So there we go. Also, just a couple points there on the shoulder straps and on the sides there, just to make it just a little more visible. Threw in a microfiber cloth. I'm not sure if I talked about that on the last segment of the video, since this is a few days later. I'm going to go ahead and throw in this lid for the clean canteen because it does fit on the Pathfinder bottles. So I'm throwing that in there just so I can carry one on my person. Yep, so I can carry it on my person while I'm outside, or outside of my pack, should I say, like while I'm out walking. I decided I'm going to go ahead and bring a hand fishing, and I'll put where I got it on the screen now. A hand fishing reel here. It's got some line and a bobber on it. Also in this medicine bottle here, I put some small hooks and weights on there, wrapped it with some Gorilla tape. Decided to throw in this spider wire extra fishing line in there as well. Also, I've got some more of the neon yellow 550 cord I'm throwing in there. I have received my ferro rod from 4 Directions Bushcraft with a scraper, and I'm not going to go ahead and scrape that on camera now because I don't want to wear off this coating. I'll put the specs for this on there. I believe it's almost an 8-inch rod. I went ahead and put that orange paracord on there to secure the striker to the beaner here, the binder there, D-ring, so it'll be more visible. And also in another pill bottle, I put some fat wood that I got from Pine Fire Shop. Unfortunately, they're no longer in business. I've got some dryer lint and some jute twine. I decided to go ahead and add that in. And in addition, the batteries, I put electrical tape over the ends so they won't accidentally make contact with anything in the pack. So go ahead and let me know. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.